Hi, I'm giving a quick overview of the AutoCAD 2022 user interface. Over here is a ribbon, and then all these are the tabs. We mostly use the drawing, two tabs, the modify, and the annotation, and of course the layers. We won't be touching these for the moment. Okay, now um, over here is your drawing space. This is your XY coordinate. The very first thing that you can draw, that you should use, the very first icon or command that you learn is the line icon. When you click on the line icon, they will show you the coordinate systems that you can key in, right, where your starting point is, or you can physically just left click at any point in space. So for now, I will just type in 0, comma 0 is in the x-axis, 0, comma 0. So the starting point would be at the original axis. So if you were to zoom out, you will see that it is originating from the x and y axis, 0, comma 0. Okay. Now the subsequent points you can click randomly, right? And when you're done drawing, you can eliminate the command with the escape key, right? Now, after this, the next thing that you want to play around with is your center mouse button. Your center mouse button, you can scroll it to zoom in and scroll to zoom out. And if you hold your center mouse button, you can pan left and pan right. Okay. Now, if you happen to zoom in and zoom out and you lose your drawing, you're wondering like, where is my drawing? All you need to do is double click the center mouse button and the drawing will be brought back to you in view. Okay. Um, Next thing is the selection to delete. Let's say you don't like what you've just done, you can type Control Z, okay, or you can select the item and you press delete. You could select your items by left clicking on from the top and then you drag towards the right. You will have a selection box or a selection window, and whatever entity that is within the blue box will be selected. Okay, if you were to click from bottom towards the right, it is the same concept. As long as it's the blue box, whatever entity that is within the blue box will be selected. Now if you left click from the right to the left, you will have a green box instead. And this green box, right, as long as the entity touches the green box, it will be selected. So for this case, all this is selected. Then when you press delete, it will all be deleted. All right. And the next one is, of course, the circle. You can draw circles. And this circle command allows you to draw a circle and enter in a radius. Let's say a radius of 20 millimeters. And I get a very small circle over here. You could create rectangles as well. Okay, create rectangles. Now, after every command, and when you're done with it, you can press escape. Okay, you click a new command, you draw, then you press escape. And if you want to use the previous command, all you need to do is press space bar, and the previous command that you use would be activated, right? So give it a try and have a feel of what AutoCAD is like. And if you don't like what you just drew, you can just select it and delete it. Okay, you can just select and delete. There you go.